Hello, what sound do these animals make?
Ba.
How about a rooster?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
What about a pig?
Oink, oink.
What about a dog?
Woof, woof.
What about a horse?
Neigh, neigh.
What about a cat?
Meow.
What about Pacey? What sound does Pacey make? What's that sound? Are you snoring?
No, I'm a pig.
Oh, you're a pig. Are you piggy, Pacey?
Piggy Piggy, because P is a pig, so is a pig.
So you're a pig?
D is a rooster, so D is a dog, so Daddy is a dog. M is a mouse, so Mommy is mouse.
Oh, thanks. What sound does a mouse make?
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Bloop, bloop, not squeak, squeak.
Squeak.